guys, it's me, Crazy Daisy, and today we'll be doing another video, and this time we're doing slime. So, I hope you like slime because, well, I kind of do, but, well, I do, you know. And I'm going to be playing with it and showing you what I like to do and how professionals do it. And I'm going to be adding some beads to my slime as we go on, okay? And, yeah, so let's do it. Okay, so this is what professionals do. They start to pull it, and then they do this. Oh, it's just a fail. Just comment down below if you thought that was a win it or a fail. I think it was a win it. No, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, let's try. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh god. Oops. I did it. That's a definite win it. So now I'm gonna be adding some beads. I'm gonna flatten it all out, okay? So I already have beads in this. Just wanted to add more. You don't want it too big. So yeah. But if you like it big, ladies, then you can add it. So this is my goblet of beads. You're gonna add them and roll it up like an omelet, okay? So you're going to grab the sides, yes, roll it over, other side, roll it over, flatten it down, grab this, grab that side, and you can flip it, and look,